Good morning, students. How we all? I hope you all good. Shall we start today's class? Very good. Come, let's begin our today's class. Today we will learn about biggest and smallest numbers and the numbers from smallest to biggest. First of all, we must know what is biggest and what is smallest. Let's see what is biggest and what is smallest. Come on. Look at the picture carefully. These are the books of an unequal sizes. We have to find which is the biggest book and which is the smallest book amongst all the books. Okay, my dear? Look at the picture. Which is the biggest book? Yes, green color book is the biggest book amongst all the books. Then which is the smallest book? Let's find. Yes, you are right. The yellow color book is the smallest book amongst all the books. Very good. Likewise, you have to find which is the biggest bag and the smallest bag amongst all the bags. Very good. The red color bag is the biggest bag amongst all the bags. Then which is the smallest bag? Yes, the pink color bag is the smallest bag amongst all the bags. Very good. Here we have the apples of an unequal sizes. Very good. Now you have to find which is smallest and which is biggest. Very good. They already given biggest and which is smallest. Very good. The big size of all the apple is first one. Very is the biggest apple amongst all the apples, and the last apple is the smallest apple amongst all the apples. The blue color bag is the biggest bag amongst all the bag, and the red color bag is the smallest bag amongst all the bag here, isn't it? Very good. Here we have three sizes of pandas. So which is the biggest panda? Yes, the first one is the biggest panda amongst all the pandas. Then which is the smallest panda? Very good. The third one is the smallest panda amongst all the pandas. Now you tell me, what is this, my dear? What is this? This is a tree, isn't it? Very good. What is the color of tree? Yes, green color. I think you already find out which is the biggest and which is the smallest tree. Very good. Then tell me, my dears, which is the biggest? Yes, first tree is the biggest tree. Then which is the smallest tree? Yes, the third tree is the smallest tree amongst all the trees. Isn't it? Am I correct, my dears? Yes, very good. Here we have some of the vegetables of an unequal sizes. First, name them. What are the vegetables are there? Yes, pumpkin, cabbage and tomato. What are they? Pumpkin, cabbage, tomato. Now you have to find which is the biggest vegetable and which is the smallest vegetable. Okay, my dear? Can you tell me which is the biggest one? Yes, pumpkin is the biggest vegetable amongst all the vegetables. Then which is the smallest one? Very good, you are correct. Tomato. Tomato is the smallest vegetable amongst all the three vegetables. What are the vegetables? Pumpkin, cabbage and tomato. Very good. Now answer my question. Find out the biggest apple. Find out the biggest apple. It is first one, a second one, a third one. Which is the biggest apple? Very good. The first apple is the biggest apple. Now tell me, my dear, find out the smallest vegetable among these three vegetables. Okay. Tell me which is the smallest one. Yes, you will find out the correct answer. The answer is tomato. Very good. Now tell me, find out the biggest tree. Yes, you are correct. Which is the biggest one? Yes, the first tree is the biggest tree. Very good. The last question, find out the smallest book. Yes, you know the answer, isn't it? My children are very good. What is the answer? Yes, the last book, which is meant by the third book, is the smallest book. Very good. Now we will see how this concept applied in numbers. Okay, my dear? Come on, let's see. Smallest to biggest. What is the title? Smallest to biggest. Here we can use an ascending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order is start from the small number to the biggest number. Okay, that concept is also using here. The number of pencils are arranged from smallest to biggest. How many pencils in the first set or else in the first circle? There are 5 pencils. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Then how many pencils in the next circle? There are 15 pencils. How? The bundle of pencil is having 10. How many? 10. The remaining pencils are 5 pencils. How many remaining pencils are there? Yes, 5. So 10 plus 5 more, we will get number 15. Okay, my dear? After 10, we have to add 5 more pencils. That is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. In the next circle, how many pencils? There are 20 pencils. Now, how many bundle of pencil set is there? Yes, there are 2 pencil sets. How many? 2. Each bundle having 10, 10. How many? 10, 10. So, we have to add 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 more pencils. Let's add 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Here we have 3 numbers, isn't it? What are they? Number 5, number 15 and number 20. Among these all numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, number 5 is the smallest number. So that the number 5 is in the first place. Now, number 15 and number 20, which is the smallest number? Compare the numbers. Yes, number 15 is the smallest number. So that the number 15 is in the second place after 5. Okay. After 5, which is the smallest number? 15. And the last number is number 20, isn't it? So after 5 and 15, which is the smallest number? Yes, number 20. Very good. Now read the numbers from smallest to biggest. Which is the smallest number? 5, 15, 20. Here I am gonna show one video, that is how the ascending order is used in this concept. Which concept? Smallest to biggest. So watch the video carefully, okay my dear?
Let us meet Rahul. He has to climb 10 steps which are numbered 1 to 10. Rahul starts from step number 1. He climbs on to step number 2. Then to step number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally to step number 10. Did you observe that as he climbs up each step, he is ascending or moving to a greater number than the previous number? Thus, we say that when the numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, they are in the increasing or ascending order. Here
is the question that have three numbers 7, 4 and 5. You have to rearrange the numbers and you have to write in the form of smallest to biggest, okay my dear? So which is the smallest number first? Here you can use the ascending order concept, okay? So which is the smallest number? 4. Very good. After 4, which is the smallest number? Or else after 4 what number will come? Number 5. Very good. And after number 5, what number? Yes, number 6 will come, but number 6 is not there. So after 6 what number should come? Number 7, isn't it? So which is the biggest number here? Number 7. So number 7 should come in the third place. Now count the numbers from smallest to biggest. 4, 5, 7. Very good. This is the correct answer. One more example. Count the numbers 9, 5, 10. Now we have to arrange it from smallest to biggest. So find out which is the smallest number. Yes, number 5 is the smallest number amongst all the three numbers. Now after 5, which is the smallest number? Yes, you know my dear. After 5, yes, after 5 what number should come? 6, 7, 8. But these numbers are not there, isn't it? So after 8 what number should come? Number 9. Number 9 is there? Yes, it is there. So after 5 we have to write number 9 in the second place. That is the second smallest number. Okay. After 9 what number should come? Number 10. Number 10 is there? Yes, it is there. So after 9 you have to write number 10 in the third place. Now check the answers. Yes, you are right. Which of the following numbers is the smallest? 16, 6 or 9? Which is the smallest number? Yes, number 6 is the smallest number. You are correct. Now, which of the following numbers is the biggest? 11, 7 or 17? Which is the biggest number? Yes, number 17 is the biggest number. Okay. Now The next question is, look carefully. 5 is greater than 15. Is this true or false? 5 is greater than 15. No, 15 is greater than 5 because number 15 is the biggest number, isn't it? So the answer is false. Okay, my dear, this session is over. I hope you all understand the concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, my dear. Thank you for your attention. We'll see in next class. Thank you. Bye bye.